Online lender loans.Com is taking the aggressive step of offering a 3.39% loan in a bid to wrest lenders away from the big banks and to tap into the traditionally strong spring property season. Loans.com founder Kim Cannon says the special variable rates they are offering for a limited time are almost 2% lower than the big banks, and borrowing online is easier and quicker than people think. Online lending is currently 5% of the Australian market, but with rates like these, Loans.com is aiming to drive it to 25% and beyond, says Cannon. The Reserve Bank of Australia last cut the cash rate to 1.5% in August, and since then variable and fixed rate deals have continued to fall. Borrowers with a $300,030-year home loan on the average standard variable rate of 4.41% can make significant savings by tipping more into each repayment. Data crunched by financial comparison site Mozo found making the weekly minimum repayments of $347 will cost more than $238 in interest charges over the life of the loan, but boosting the repayments to $397 with an extra $50 a week, you can cut 6 years and 8 months off the loan time and save more than $60 in interest. The biggest mistake borrowers can make is being complacent about their debt, says Mozo spokeswoman Kirsty Lamont. The sun continues to shine on borrowers, and it's time to make hay by putting in place a strategy to get the most financial benefit you can out of the low-rate environment, she says. This strategy could be as simple as boosting your mortgage repayments while rates are at record lows to build equity in your home faster. But Lamont warns borrowers to be careful not to take debt on beyond your means, because rates will inevitably rise. 1300 Home Loan Director John Collins says borrowers should be optimizing low rates to make a bigger dent in their principal loan, not just the interest. As rates are reducing, more consumers are sticking to the same repayments, so they're paying off the loans faster because they are set at a high rate. He says, a home loan might seem daunting in the first year or two, but once you have got past the first couple of years, it's really good to see the balance coming down, so stick at it. The more you can set aside early on, the greater the benefit you will get. He also encourages borrowers to make their repayments fortnightly, not monthly, because you will end up making 26 payments per year instead of 12 monthly repayments. If you pay $1,000 a fortnight, you will pay $26 in a year as opposed to $24 if you pay $2,000 a month.